Reliability is crucial in the fire alarm industry. That's why selecting the right surge protector is so important. I'm Cheryl with Dytech, and we've been manufacturing surge protection for over 30 years. Surge protection is vital to the long-term health of your fire alarm system. Today I want to talk to you about Dytech's Deflector series. This innovative design offers superior protection to safeguard your critical AC power circuits and the connected equipment to it. It also has built-in audible alarms and remote capabilities to provide instant notification if your surge protection is compromised. The modular design of the Deflector series offers fast, tool-free replacement. We also offer this in a 120x12 version to protect your AC power circuits and up to 12 low voltage circuits in one unit. Again, being fully modular allows you to replace the modules without having to wire anything. NEC 2023 requires surge protection on the dedicated circuit feeding your fire alarm panel. Remember, surge protection is your first line of defense. Visit www.dytechsurgeprotection.com for more.